Hey guys, this is Epson Workforce wf2910dw. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. First of all, you need to scroll to the side. You select confirm ink level, select OK. It will show you the ink images. Now you scroll down, use the down arrow button. Replace now, select OK. Proceed, select OK. Then select start. Now open up the printer. And the ink will position itself for you to replace it. Then you take particular one. So this is how to remove the ink. If you want to put it back, you take the particular ink, cyan, go in, make sure the chip is on top, push it down. The next on the list is magenta, push it down. The next is yellow, push down. The last but not the least is black, go in, push down. Then you select start. Now it's checking the ink. Under maintenance, please wait. This will take 4 minutes. Replacement complete. Then you select OK. Another way to replace the ink is for you to scroll to the side. Scroll to the side and go to maintenance. Select OK. Then you will see nozzle check. Scroll down from maintenance to ink cartridges replacement. Then you select OK. Replace ink cartridges. Then you select proceed. OK to proceed. Then you select start. Then you open up. Then this will position itself. Then you remove the ink accordingly. If you want to put it back again, go in, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And once you've done that, then you select start, close it. Now it's checking the ink cartridges. You see under maintenance, it will take about 4 minutes. 2 ways you can replace the ink cartridges. And once this process is complete, it will tell you replacement is complete. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.